We're doing it on Omega. Okay, this is episode 361, part 1. Tri-Brigade versus Thunder Dragons. I've been practicing with Tri-Brigade, and here we go. Fractal. And then he chained it with Dark. Dark's gonna get another Dark. Fractal's gonna dump Nerval. Nerval is gonna add Kit. Normal summon Kit. Activate effect, banish those two. Special summon Bearbrum. Then those two for Rugal, Bearbrum, and Kit. Kit's gonna dump Karis. Bearbrum's gonna add Revolt. And then what did I shuffle back there? Not sure what I shuffled back. Set the strike. Set the revolt. What was this card again? And my turn, his turn. Lord of Darkness, okay. Banish Dark. Dark's effect. Solemn Strike, negate. Probably should have saved this one for the went for a White Dragon. Striker Dragon, White Dragon, get Black Dragon. Banish the white for the black. Normal summon Aloof effect. Banish. And then add same type. Roar. Special summon Matrix. All those for Yugioh, Matrix, Yugioh, Revolt, Droplet. Droplet will send Revolt, decreasing its attack by half and negating Yugioh's effect. And summon those for Shureg. Did not use Shureg's effect yet. I could do that with Rugal on main phase. Phantasme. What is going on here? Oh, Kit and Nerval. Called by. I was like, no, not my Kit, but I wanted him to do the Nerval. Had my mic on. Nerval. Get Fractal. Phantasme. Just gonna draw. And put back. Oh, this guy right here. If he declared monster type, destroy all those on the field also. So I was like, man. Yeah. I did Rugal's effect, special summon, Fractals, effects negated. Then I Shureg, Arch Nemesis, any Thunder Dragon fusion. I think he won this one. But he wasn't done yet. He went for Verte, Red Eyes Fusion, paid 2,000. Yeah. Pop and burn. And then Rugal's effect is gonna decrease 300 for each monster type I control. This guy's okay. I lose that much. I lose 600. And then Dragoon pop and burn. I'm like, how the heck did I lose that much? I was gonna add with Shureg, but he negated it, and it was over from here. Double! Oh man. It was very intense for me. It was like my first time kind of getting to know the deck. I'm like, man, I don't know what I sided and I forget. This is round 2. I think I went first. Fractal. Nerval. Had Kit. Almost summon Kit. Effect, banish those two. Okay, Bearbrum. Then he Chaos Hunter. Discard. Special summon. Discard. Your opponent cannot banish card. I was like, what? So I can't banish nothing now. Went for a Rugal. Bearbrum Kit. Kit's gonna dump Karis. Bearbrum's gonna add Revolt, and I gotta put back that card. Set the Revolt and the Solemn Strike, Solemn Judgment. Yeah, I sided in the Solemn Judgment, took off the effect failures. Chaos Valkyria, banish, special. I was in normal. Set, activated Allure of Darkness, okay. He banished the Dark, which is Thunder Dragon Dark. Thunder Dragon Dark's effect, gonna add Thunder Dragon. Thunder Dragon, discard, add up to 2 Thunder Dragons. Only added 1. Did it again, add another one. Rolling Karibo, Matrix, get another Matrix. He went for Verte right here. I had to Revolt, summon those 4. And then Chureg's effect, Kit's effect, Chain Block, and Nerval. Nerval's gonna add was it Fractal or Karis? I don't know. I think it was Karis, and then Kit will dump Fractal. Banish the Verte before he goes to a Dragoon. Oh shit. I should have Solemn Judge for Levy, because what did he do? I think he did both light and dark. I'm like, okay, I thought he was gonna rip a card from my hand. I don't really know what he banished there. 1 second. What? I don't. So I'm like, okay. Even Chain Block too. Just gonna pop those two. It's like, no. And then he Thunder Dragon Fusion, Titan, and Rugal, special summon Nerval. I said Rugal and my Google thing popped up. Thought I said Google. What is happening here? Oh, Cerberus. Alright. Somehow I win this. Thunder Dragon, discard, Titan's effect, Thunder Dragon activates. You could pop battle. I'll take. Oh, damn it. 32. It's Somehow I win this. I drew Thoroughblade, Fractal, Nerval, add Kit, Karis, discard Kit, special summon, Kit's effect, send Nerval, Karis, did 3, 4, Shureg, pop, then what? Oh, desires, okay. Normal summon. Oh, then I went for a Porvo. Attack. Main phase 2. Overlay for Zeus. Set Imperial Order. Pass turn. Normal summon. Activate Imperial Order. He was gonna banish. And I Ash. Linked. Effect, add, banish, special, and the tribute, and he knew it was game. Let's duel wins. Game 3, right here, I win this one. Came back from 0-1. Round 3. Duel. Lucky I drew the droplet because he went off. Instant fusion for Kaminari attack, and then Titan with those two. Roar, Hawk, Allure, draw, and banish Dark's effect, add Thunder Dragon, another Allure of Darkness, doing another Dark, almost summon Matrix, went for linked off for Anaconda, Matrix and Hawk. Matrix will get another Matrix, Hawk will draw and put back. What is it, draw and put back? Shuffle and draw the same. Oh, it's like a reload. Thunder Dragon. Verte, pay 2,000, copy Red as Fusion. Summons Dragoon. Ends his turn. Draw phase, I Droplet, Nerval, and Nibiru. I sided in Nibiru. Got those two, Nerval, Fractal, Kit, send Karis, oh summon Karis. Did 1-2 for Bearbrum. Desires. Didn't even check what I had in my what did I have? Yeah, I didn't even check. Okay. Well, look at what the one revolt. I didn't even check. Holy crap. What the heck? Bearbrum's effect. Discard 2 for Nerval. Special summon Nerval. 2 for double Dragon Lords. Those 3 for Shureg. Shureg's effect, banish Titan. And Bearbrum's effect did not happen because I already had the revolt. And the other revolt, there's only 2 revolts in here. Destroy Dragoon, destroy Verte, in phase 2 set. banish, special, tribute, special, effect, add, banish, special, and then Cerberus, discard, and then target to what is it again? Destroy. But then I linked it off. Double Dragon Lords could use itself to put back. Return to deck. Aloof Lupine. Banish. And add. What? It's like banish to banish. Dark. IP. Dark. It's gonna get the Thunder Dragon Fusion. He activates Thunder Dragon Fusion for Titan. Then I revolt those four. The other Shurag's effect. And then all the other effects are chain blocking, Shurag. Adding. And I dumped. He Dark Ruler no more, and he probably should have did that before, but no. Even though he did that, I would have, yeah. And I think he scooped it from here, or he let me kill him. No, he scooped it. Let's Duel wins, flawless victory, perfect. Let's see if he has a deck. Oh, he does have a deck. So we're gonna 361. We're just gonna put 361. Okay. Let's go online. Here we're at. Where were we? 1487, 1507, back to gold. Keep going up and down. 361. 361? Yeah. Why do you have Dark Magician? Oh, okay. This was his Thunder Dragon deck. Two Titans. Toral Sword, wow. One Lightning Storm. Oh, he cited in the Phantasme, Chaos Space, and the one Nibiru. Check out the duel points. 182, 183. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.